Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some fried spinach. So this is the spinach I'm using. I have 5 packs in here. So I'm going to put some shrimp in it. I have some chicken wings that I seasoned. And earlier I boiled some meat. And I have chicken feed, I got meat, I got pig feed, and I got smoked pork in here. So I'm also going to be adding that to my chopped spinach. Okay, so I have liquid in there that I'm going to use. I have onion, I have pepper, and I have some oil right here. It's canola oil. You can use any oil you have. This is ground shrimp that's in here. So this is shrimp dust. I have salt. Adobo seasoning. 2 Maggi cubes. I have onion powder. And I have complete sazon. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to cut up my vegetables, which is my onions and some of the pepper. And I'll be back. When I make my spinach and when I also make my collard greens, I love a lot of onions in there. So this is almost like 2 onions. You don't have to cut it any particular size. I just want it a little bit smaller. Okay, let me cut all the rest of the onions. There's one that I have rolled back on the other side, and I will be back. Okay, I chopped it all up. And let me set it aside. So I'm going to open up my spinach. This spinach, you can steam it also. But I'm going to fry mine. I'm opening it. I'm putting it in here. Okay, let me open up the other 2. And then we'll go to my stove. We're going to fry the wings and we're going to fry the shrimp. And I'm also going to put the shrimp on the side. So the shrimp don't take a long time to be cooked. Okay, I'm going to take out the shrimp. Let me spread out the wings now. So let it continue to fry. I will flip it one more time and I'll be back when it's time to take it out. Okay, it's time to take out my wings. I'm going to put in my greens and my onions. So I'm leaving the stem on so it don't break up quickly. And I'm going to put in my spinach. Let me let this fry, and I will be back in about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to season it. Okay, it was frying for 25 minutes. I'm going to season it. So I'm going to put some onion powder in there. I'm going to put some ground shrimp. Some complete sazon. Some adobo. A little bit of salt. And the 2 Maggi cubes. I'm trying to break it up. It is hard. So I'll just throw it in there. This one is not as bad, but and now I'm going to put my meat in there with the liquid. That was all the meats that I have boiled. Let that cook down a little bit before I put in my chicken. The fried chicken, and the last thing I will put about 2 minutes before my food is ready is to put the shrimp in that I fry. So let this continue to cook. And by the time I'm ready to add my chicken, I will taste it and see if it has enough seasoning, if it has enough pepper, or if I have to add something else. So let it continue to cook. Okay, I've been frying it for 20 minutes. And I'm going to put my chicken in there. I'm going to taste it and see if I need to add anything else. I will just add a little bit of salt. And that should be fine. So this is the rice that I'm going to make. That's what the pack looks like. And it has the instructions on the side. You bring it to a boil, the water, uncover for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I have my water on the stove in my pot. I'm also going to be making some plantain, frying some plantain. think my spinach has about 10 more minutes for me to add my shrimp in it. Let me check on it and come back. Okay, let me add my shrimp. I'm going to cut my stove off, and in 2 minutes everything will be done. So everything is ready. This is my plantain, and this is my rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye bye.